Right chaps, don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm slowly getting there with this here. It has been one serious learning curve this, but I promised Bernie I wouldn't pick another pin tumbler until this is done. So let's see, that's clicking, that seems to be in the gate, number 2. That sounds, click click, click click, very low lever in the middle. So I'm going to try and get past that. Down again a bit. Right. Down again. One seams in. Oh, come on again. Under that 3rd lever. 4 feels as though it's in. Out to the back. Not sure. Yeah. And for this middle lever again. Gotcha! Ha ha ha! Here a 5 gauge BS. There you go, Bernie. Thank you very much, sir.